Here we are at the Colorado Railroad Museum.
Uh-oh, Dad?
Yeah?
I got a leaking bottle.
What you getting on, Jackson? What train is that? This is Percy? Wow. Those are all the gauges, huh?
Yeah.
That's what makes the train go, huh?
But there's no track.
There's no track? Well, let's go up to the trains that have track. Look.
Oh. Oh, no way. They do have track.
Wow. Do you want to see them? Come over here to the engine. That's a big engine, huh? Do you want to stand in front of it?
Right there, they took the track off.
They took the, oh, you're right, they took the track off. It stopped. You want to stand on the track?
Why?
They did it because it's a museum.
But why did they take it off?
Because this train doesn't go anymore.
Does the battery dead?
The battery's dead? No. It just doesn't go anymore. Oh yeah, the Polar Express. You're right. They carry cargo in there. That's a freight car. They carry ice cream in there? Why did they uncouple it? I don't know. That's a good question. Look at this engine. This is an old engine.
Old engine.
Wow.
Same.
Who is this? Which train is this?
Where is it, you know?
I don't know. It's an old train. I don't even know if we can get in it.
The mean diesel?
The mean diesel?
Is it? What's that?
Sounds like a train to me. You want to get up on the train?
Sure.
Okay. Right over here you can get up.
Wait, over here. Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
they actually
Oh, yeah. I can go on this one. Daddy.
locked.
What do you think, Jackson?
They keep it locked.
Do they keep it locked?
Like, they keep it locked.
Why is it locked?
Because they don't want any people in there.
They don't want any people in there. Oh, okay. Because it's a special engine, huh?
Yeah, they don't want people.
That's right.
They'll be sad.
Yeah.
Look, there's a truck over there. Now, I'm just playing motion.
You know what? It says keep off. So they don't want us on that one because it's too dangerous.
Keep off.
Should we go look for Mommy? Let's go look for Mommy.
Ow!
Let's go find Mommy. I think she's by a train.
The Empire train. Why did they uncouple it?
They uncoupled it because it's not moving. This train is in a museum.
But why?
Museum is where they keep special things that are
Why
old.
did they uncouple it? But why?
I don't know. Look.
Ah! Shoot!
This is Jackson's heaven. Phew.
Alright, we're gonna have to hold you up high to do it. Okay, it's this right here. You have to. Help me. He's ringing the bell, Dad.
Jaxson, are you ringing the bell, Jaxson?
Look it down. Isn't that cool? He rang the bell.
Let me go. Don't let me fly.
What do you think, Zachary?
Let
Says,
me
tastes
fly.
good.
Zachary?
Are you eating the train, Zachary? Are you eating the train, huh? That's disgusting.
I want us to that swing.
No. It's just a little steering. I'm gonna run out of battery for pictures.
Oh, I'm good. These are new
That's
batteries.
what they put. That's what they put the coal.
You're right. That is where they put the coal. Look at that. You opened it. Look at that. Stoke up the magic in the mountain. Yeah, that's where the coal goes.